Okay, so your kunafa is out.
Yeah.
As soon as the kunafa is out, we had put the syrup. Time to add the garnishes after demolding it.
Okay.
So you'll add your pistas. You'll add the rose buds because rose buds will give you that extra decoration.
Yeah.
It looks pretty like that. Okay. So ये हो गए आपके kunafa ready. Now we've done a private class today with my special student. She's a new student who's joined me for the first time. And decided to do a private class because very last minute I decided to do this class, so of course I didn't get more students because it was just one day announcement, and because she's come all the way from Nigri, which is almost 1.5 hours away from my place, I decided to do a private class with her. But she wanted to learn baklava and kunafa since a very long time, and today was the day that we actually decided to do this class. Now she has learned baklava and kunafa in different variations, different styles, different shapes. Okay, and plus the main theory was important in the beginning.
Yeah.
We learned how to make the syrup. So we did two types of syrup here, the baklava syrup and the kunafa syrup. Okay, so these two are the first things that you need to learn or make before you start making even your baklava and kunafa. So your kunafa syrup, your baklava syrup, then we did our cheesecakes. Now baklava cheesecake can be done in bigger size, smaller size. Today I taught you in the smaller size. So this is your small baklava cheesecake, which is in open style and closed style. Okay, so these are your two. Plus we also did a spiral baklava, which gives you a little rose shape. So just you can name it as rose baklava or a spiral baklava.
Yeah.
We did a इसको क्या बोलोगे? Honey nut khajur.
Yeah.
Huh?
Good name.
Honey nut khajur. Okay, with little baklava crunch. Then we did some cigar. This is a cigar. We did these mini biters. We did one baklava nest.
Nest. Right.
Nest. इसको nest या bracelet बोलेंगे.
Yeah.
And क्या stuffing किया है?
इसमें गुलकंद. It's
Shahi pan
I
gulkand.
think so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we did our baklava. Now this is our regular Turkish baklava जो हर बार हम बनाते हैं. छोटे छोटे में बनाया, small sizes बनाए. इसको आप बड़े size में भी कर सकते हो. So this is your classic Turkish baklava, you can see.
Okay.
Okay. And then comes your kunafa. Now kunafa has again got a cheese pudding. इसकी चीज़ अलग थी, इसकी चीज़ अलग थी.
Yeah, right.
करेक्ट, दोनों की चीज़ फिलिंग अलग है.
Right.
एंड इसको हमने खतेफी के साथ बनाया, नॉट विद सवैया.
Yeah.
And cheese pudding dala, syrup is important. Now when you carry it with you, you will take a small syrup ka dabba which you will place it in your box when you have to take it to your customer or when you have to gift it to your customer. So kunafa and the syrup goes together. Then make a note to the customer, kindly warm the kunafa and pour the syrup
Yeah.
before eating. Okay, so this is how kunafa is eaten. It's supposed to be warm with the syrup.
Yeah.
Syrup always goes in the end before eating, so because it's very bland. तो सिरप से ही उसका कुनाफा का फ्लेवर आता है. Clear? So this is how we completed with the pricing. I explained to you how much to charge also. So hopefully Ramzan is coming soon. Yes, for all those who missed today's class, I will announce it again. We are coming up with another class of baklava and kunafa, Ramzan special, because Ramzan is around the corner. So why not come and learn these delicacies which are Middle Eastern, Arabic, and good to gift your loved ones. And of course during iftari you can serve
Yeah.
these. Okay, so these are your best iftari desserts, you can say. Okay. So how was your experience?
My experience was wonderful, I will say, because I have learned everything like from scratch.
Correct.
I didn't felt like I met you for the first time. I was very comfortable to ask any question or ask how many times.
Yeah, correct.
So if I say the class was amazing and I know the taste will be more wonderful.
No, you are eating it right away. Take one piece right now and give a feedback to this
Okay.
also. Okay, so that's going to be our first taste of any baklava or kunafa which we have made
Have
today.
this and I'll give the honest review.
Yes. Crunch.
This is actually very not too sweet,
Correct.
very nice,
Nutty.
nutty and crispy.
Correct.
Not too sweet.
Can add sweet if you feel you are more prone to the sweet part, then you can add more syrup. As I told you, I put minimum syrup. लगे आपको कम लग रहा है, client requires more syrup, then add more syrup.
काफी ज़्यादा tasty है.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Most welcome. So this way we completed our private class today, and do enroll for the next class those who wish to join for the baklava and kunafa. Okay, thank you.